Hi there, welcome. So in this video, we are going to see how we can configure default routing protocols in Cisco Packet Tracer. So for this purpose, I'm going to choose some devices from here. This is one router and another router. So let us choose a switch in here. From here, this is switch, and this is our PC. So let's connect these devices together to this router and between these two router. So in here we can assume, okay, we can assume this router as a ISP. So this is our network. This is our network. So we are going to configure default routing protocols in the ISP side. From ISP side, we are going to configure. We can configure any routing protocols. For example, in this example, I'm going to configure static routing protocol from ISP side, and from our side to ISP, we are going to configure the default routing protocols. So what we are going to do, first of all, we need to give an IP address for our devices. So I'm going to choose a network for this, 192.168.168.1.0. This is our network, and this is the assume this is the ISP 192.1. Let me choose from another network 10.10.10.10 /24/24. Okay, this is the ISP side. So I'm going to assign IP address for our devices. PC desktop IP address 192.168.1.1. Sorry, 192.168.1.1. What is the error? 192.168. Okay, sorry, .168.1.1/24. So let's assign IP address to this PC as well. I'm going to say no to this default configuration. Enable conf t. Have to go to global configuration mode. IP address no. Interface faster than it is 0 over 0. We are going to say no shutdown. IP address 192.168.1.2, because the first IP address we have assigned to this PC. So this /24 255.255.255.0. Enter it. Interface fast is 0 over 1. No shutdown. IP address 10.10.10.11. For example, it's 255.255.255.0. And save. Show IP interface brief. IP interface brief. As you can see, this IP address has been assigned to this port, and this IP address is to fast Ethernet 0 over 1. So let's go to the this router, ISP router. Assign IP address for this as well. Okay. No to the default configuration. Enable global configuration mode. Interface fast 0 over. I think it's fast 0 over 0. Okay, fast 0 over 0. I'm going to say no shutdown. The port is up right now. Okay, I'm going to say IP address 10.10.10.20, for example, /24 255.255.255.0, and save it. Show IP interface brief. As you can see, this IP address has been assigned to this port. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to assigned. So now we have assigned IP address to our devices. So now I'm going to configure static default routing protocols. So for this, we need to go to global convection mode. I'm going to say IP route. In this time, we are going to say to any IP address 0.0.0.0.0. It means to any IP address and to any subnet mask 0.0.0.0.0. We are going to say if you want to go to any IP address to any subnet mask, you can exit from this port faster than 0/1, or we can assign the IP address of this port fast 0/0. So in this case, I'm going to assign this port. If you want this IP address, you can exit from this port. Fast Ethernet 0/1. Okay, and save it. Show IP route. Okay, this network is connected. This network is connected. Okay, and this is the default routing protocols 0.0.0.0. Okay, now from ISP side, this is our ISP. For example, ISP. Okay, from ISP side, we are going to configure static routing protocols. Global convection mode, IP route. In the static routing protocol, we are defining or assigning the non-connected networks. So this network is non-connected for this router. So we have to assign this network. IP route 192.168.1.0 with /24 255.255.255.0. Okay, we have defined, and now we have to say if you want to go to this network, you have to exit from this port, or we can assign the IP address of this port. So in this case, I'm going to assign the IP address of this port, fast 0/1. So what was the IP address of this one? It was 10.10.10.11, I think. I didn't remember exactly. Let me check it. Show IP interface brief. Yeah, it's 10.11. Okay, you have assigned correctly. So now end this and save it. Show IP interface brief. As you can see, the IP address of this port is 10.20. So let me ping this this router from this PC and check it. Our default routing protocol is correct or not. So first of all, we need to assign default gateway as well. So for default gateway for this PC is the IP address of this router, fast 0/0, 192.168.1.2. Okay, 1.1.2 is the IP address of this port. So we have assigned and save it. Command prompt. Let's ping the IP address of this port. Ping 192.168. No, it's not. Sorry, 10.10.10.20. Okay, let's wait. Request. Yeah. Okay, great. As you can see, for the first packet, it was request timeout, but for the next 3 packet, it was success message. So if I ping it again, it's giving a successful response in 1 millisecond. So this is how we can configure default routing protocols. Mostly they are using in the ISP side. So if I turn on my simulation to this PC and ping it again, let's start it. As you can see, the packet is coming to this switch, and from this switch it's coming to this router, and from this router is going to the ISP router, and the response is coming back from the ISP router and back to the PC. Okay, that's it for this video. And this is the basic configuration and implementation of default routing protocols and static routing protocols, both of them at the same times. So thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.